How to access or see all of your subscription details in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can access and see all of your subscriptions in Roblox. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is tap onto the Roblox icon in order to launch your application, and once you will do this you will see an interface like this. Now in this interface, click onto this more option at the bottom right, and from here go to settings. Now under settings you will see this option that says subscriptions. So simply click onto this subscriptions button and just give it a moment and it will load all of your active subscriptions. So as currently you can see, in my case I don't have any active subscriptions, so it is showing me a 0 subscription. But in your case, if you have any active subscriptions, they all will appear here. So that's how easily you can find all of your subscriptions in your Roblox account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.